Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Kim. Today I'm just giving you a quick update at Strawberry Hill here and what I am planting in and what I have planned in here. So I went and bought myself a few plants of strawberries. I found it really difficult to actually do this, guys, because I don't generally like to buy my starts in any way, but as I have had a lot of issues trying to germinate seeds for strawberries, I decided that this year Strawberry Hill needed to become a strawberry garden. So I'm going to give these garden beds a really good clean out. I'm going to plant these in. I'm going to use some cocoa peat and get the ground covered so that it keeps nice and moist. And guys, I'll just give you a quick look over on how that's looking now. So a couple of months ago, I actually planted in some strawberries in here, and now that I've pulled the weeds out, I have found them. You'd have seen them in the August update, these tiny little strawberry plants. This one's doing really quite well. This one is a white flowering strawberry. So we will have some strawberries soon, some little tiny strawberries, but we will get some. And this is the other one. This one was in amongst more of the weeds. You can see that there is some little tiny bubby strawberries on it. So I'm just going to let it do its thing and grow its strawberries. This one is a pink flowering of the same variety. It's just a pink flowering one. And so we'll let him do his tasks as well. So I'm just going to put in around these two strawberry plants a couple of these smaller ones. And then I think I'm going to pinch this bathtub here, or maybe the one on the end. I haven't quite decided which one, and I will put the rest of the two strawberry plants I have into those. The cocoa power stuff, core stuff that I've put around the plants, it will help a little bit to keep some of the snails out, but I did find, and I have seen the snails climbing across it, so it's not a very good barrier for that, but it is doing a really good job at helping keep the moisture in the ground and keep the strawberry plants here nice and moist during the little bit warmer days that we have had here through September and October. But this stuff is really good, guys. It was very interesting trying to get it to separate. Basically, I ended up with a wheelbarrow full of water, put this stuff in there, and yeah, just follow the instructions. But it does take time for it to expand and break apart. But it is definitely well worth the $25 to $27 I think I spent on this. So it will break down and add some more nutrients into the garden. You think she's getting in there? Gus? Wasn't doing nothing? I wasn't doing nothing. In the middle, the big bits, these big ones in the middle, I've put 2 in each bathtub. Along with this one is rhubarb. And that's it from Strawberry Hill here, guys. Now all I need to do is let the strawberries grow, keep them watered and a bit of fertilizer over the coming months, and hopefully we will have a nice little harvest of strawberry for the coming years. Alright guys, thank you for joining me here again in the garden, and we will see you on the next vid. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, grab hold of a video on the side here, and the links for cooking with Mama Bear and preserving with Mama Bear will be down in the description.